is ongoing, but this time BJP MPs have been left fuming over an e-cigarette. Anurag Thakur has now accused an unnamed TMC MP of smoking inside Parliament in the Lok Sabha and is likely to submit a written complaint today, where he has urged the Speaker to order an immediate inquiry. Remember, e-cigarettes were banned in the country a few years ago, and this very issue is now being taken up in Parliament.
सर, देश भर में ई सिगरेट बैन हो चुकी है, क्या सदन में आपने अलाउ कर दी है?
नहीं, कोई माननीय सदस्य को कोई भी
सर, टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर टीएमसी के सांसद सर कई दिनों से लगातार बैठ के पी रहे हैं सर।
कोई भी माननीय
टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर नहीं सर, आप चेक करवाइए सर।
एक मिनट व्यवस्था
सर, सदन में अगर सिगरेट पीना अलाउ कर दिया है,
एक मिनट प्लीज। मैं सभी माननीय सदस्यों से पुनः आग्रह करता हूं, हमें संसदीय परंपराओं और संसदीय नियमों का अनुपालन करना चाहिए। कोई भी माननीय सदस्य कभी भी ऐसा कोई विषय मेरे पास आएगा तो निश्चित रूप से इस पर मैं निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Meanwhile, the others in the ruling party too attacked the TMC, alleging that its lawmaker has set a new record of lowering the dignity of Parliament with this conduct. Now the BJP is asking the TMC leadership whether the party will take any action against the erring leader or would wait for the Lok Sabha Speaker to act against the leader coming in from the TMC side.
जो लोग अपने आप को तथाकथित रूप से संविधान के रक्षक, पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी के रक्षक, कानून के रक्षक बताने में बहुत गर्व महसूस करते हैं, तो आज सवाल टीएमसी से बनता है कि जब प्रथम दृष्टया इतनी बड़ी घटना हुई है तो क्या वो इस प्रकार की नेगेटिव कीर्ति स्थापित करने वाले अपने सांसद पर समय रहते ही स्वतः कार्रवाई करेंगे या स्पीकर के कार्रवाई का इंतजार करेंगे?
The TMC, however, seems to be in no mood to take any action. Ironically, its senior MP Saugata Roy, who believes that the action must be taken by the Speaker, was himself even seen with a cigarette in its hands while in the Parliament premises.
I cannot say anything about that because I was not in the House. I don't know who smoked and who complained.
But if this is happening, do you think so? It is right?
There is no question. It will be violation of rules. It's for the Speaker to inquire and take action.
So Speaker has taken a note over this entire matter. BJP is attacking the TMC over
No, why make it a political issue? It's a breach of rules. So let the Speaker take action whatever things fit.
All right, Kritika, good morning. The Speaker firmly saying that there is no rule or precedent that allows any member of Parliament to smoke inside the House. And Speaker Om Birla clearly says that if such an incident is brought to his notice with clarity, then appropriate action will follow.
Well, yes, that is what Speaker Om Birla has said, that if a written complaint is received, then follow-up action will be taken. Remember, BJP MP Anurag Thakur had raised this issue during the question hour yesterday. He had said that member of the TMC party have been smoking inside the Parliament. Now, we also heard Saugata Roy as well, who is himself saying that yes, it is a breach of rules. However, he does go on to say that smoking inside the House premises is against the laws, but whatever happens outside the building cannot really be regulated. This is also what the TMC leader has said. Yesterday we had also heard now Union Minister Giriraj Singh also say that the TMC is not anymore a party of morals. So of course a lot of politics brewing over this as well. We saw even during question hour a lot of slogans that were being raised from the BJP's end. Anurag Thakur was asking for immediate inquiry into such. Remember, e-cigarettes have been banned in the country since 2019, and this was again time and time again brought to the notice of Mr. Roy of the TMC party as well. However, he has seemed defiant. He's also saying that if the Speaker has to take some action, then that should come in. Any other sort of politicking over this issue is not really required. So this is what we were witnessing.
Not clear who's that TMC MP, but the BJP has now raised this issue in Parliament. Remains to be seen if any action would be initiated. Thank you very much from the moment, Kritika, for joining in live with that update. Let's